Over the last 2 years, over 500 fellows have been working on the ground from Manipur to Jaisalmer and from Kupwara and Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari. The convocation is an opportunity to bring together all these diverse experiences for fellows to cross-learn from each other, celebrate their achievements over the last 2 years, and set them up to progress in their impact careers over the next 35 years.
रास्ता सीधा नहीं रहता है. There is always some new challenge coming. But I hope this fellowship has given you an opportunity to understand कि challenges के around कैसे जाना, how do you surmount those challenges and how do you take your path.
The Batch 15 convocation was designed to allow them to connect with their alma mater. So we invited Batch 1, Batch 10 and Batch 5 fellows who interacted with them, shared their journey, how the experiences of fellowship helped them to really build their perspectives.
I feel gratitude that the fellowship still remembers us. Just really inspiring to meet so many young people who are also walking the same path that we had walked.
जो एक एनर्जी थी, जो एक वाइब थी, वो लग रहा था कि ये जब 500 लोग बाहर जाएंगे तो कितना कमाल करेंगे. So they all were holding their little dreams.
So when we talk about networking, we don't just mean networking in terms of building professional relationships. Of course, that is a part of networking, but we are also looking to form a community of people where they can even discuss personal issues, do a lot of problem solving.
So I realized that my research was a really important act of not just witnessing what was happening to these women, but was a way in which I could help those women raise their voice and point to the fact that these experiences were prevalent in the community and something needed to be done.
I was in a session which was about entrepreneurship. That session has helped me to see it from a different lens, that how can I be an entrepreneur.
So as you think about transitioning from what you do today as a fellow to what you may want to do tomorrow and what you might be able to do tomorrow, if you are aware of the influence AI can have on your life and your work, your ability to be successful is 10 times higher.
आज हमारे साथ बहुत सारे डिग्निटरीज, IAS, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स एंड एवरीवन वाज देयर. सो वहाँ पे मैंने ये सीखा हाउ टू बी पेशेंट. एक पेशेंस कैसे रखना है.
पेशेंस बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए. The world will not change based at your speed. The world changes at its own speed. Have patience. And if it does not change, don't give up. Things will happen. If you have the conviction, if you have the self-confidence and the faith in yourself, you will persevere till it changes.
Improving government schools and connecting them to apprenticeship programs, ताकि कल हो करके बिहार के बच्चे अनस्किल्ड वेज लेबर ना होकर के सेमी स्किल्ड या स्किल्ड हो सके. That can be a game changer in large numbers.
My experiences living in the village, working with local health centers, local health workers, that is what really motivates me.
The ability to work with individuals, and there are great individuals there are not so good individuals, but there are many, many people who are working very hard to make something happen. When you find the right person in the right context, that's what makes the difference. Same context, different person, they will not be able to make a difference.
और आज तीसरे दिन भी जो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि तरह तरह के इमोशंस वी कैन सी. इमोशंस ऑफ लव, belongingness, connectedness, joy, contentment, emotions like gratitude towards each other, even emotions of relief कि ये 2 साल की fellowship खत्म हुई. But I think the most consistent emotion which I see across the 500 fellows is the emotion of pride.
Convocation is actually the last key of our fellowship process. So basically convocation is an emotional moment for us. The overall experience of convocation was very good. The overall experience meeting with the alumni and getting a lot of workshops and all these activities were really very engaging and very, very well.
We are an evolving story, and we hope that these young people, they will get out in the impact spaces, whether it is NGOs, whether it is foundations, whether it is the corporate world, media, academia.
We want to continue expanding. We have about 500-600 fellows joining every year. We want to continue to expand that to almost till we reach 1,000 fellows a year, and that is one of our big goals. But the larger vision that we set for the Gandhi Fellowship is one day we imagine that in 10 to 15 years there will be a Gandhi Fellow in South Africa, in Namibia, in Indonesia.